We're talking energy, it's not just a word. It's the fuel in your step, it's the flight of a bird. Two types you'll find in everything we see. Kinetic's the one that sets motion free. It's moving, it's grooving, it's speed on display. A rolling ball, a dancer midway. Mass and velocity, that's the key. From a runner on the track to the swing that's coming back. If it's got motion, you better believe kinetic's the energy it'll achieve. We've got energy in motion, power in the still. Lift me higher up the hill, stored or speeding, feel that thrill. It's potential, it's kinetic, it's the science, it's the skill. Hands up, let's ride this wave, from the mountain to the cave. Gravity's got its role to play. Energy transforms and never fades away. Now let's rewind, look at what's stored tight. Potential's got power, but it waits for the right moment to drop, to spring, to fly. Like a stretched out bow, shooting arrows in the sky. Height times mass, then gravity's call. P-E-E will H, now that's the law. The higher you go, the more you store. Then release it all and let it soar. From roller coasters on the climb, to waterfalls that drop in time. Potential energy's locked and set, till motion's unleashed, yeah, you bet. We've got energy in motion, power in the still. Lift me higher up the hill, stored or speeding, feel that thrill. It's potential, it's kinetic, both are part of the deal. Jump high, let's break that chain, ride the wind or ride the train. Science is the beat we play. Energy transforms, it never fades away. Energy can't be made or destroyed, just flipped and shifted like a toy. From motion to rest, from stretch to glide, it's all around, it's the science inside. We've got energy in motion, power in the still. From the swing to the windmill, stored or speeding, feel that thrill.